Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
In a country yard, a boy was in a hat. He was holding a honey jar near his hens. Suddenly, he noticed there was a helicopter flying in the sky. He had a great day because of excitement. Excitement makes days more fun. Dear kids, let's meet with the new alphabet H, and its sound is hat, honeybee, honey, hen, helicopter, hut. Dear kids, can you imagine about the honeybee, that how they fly from flower to flower? Have you ever seen a honeybee? See you in the next lesson.